Have you ever noticed how some students breeze through their studies, effortlessly recalling facts and figures? Meanwhile, others struggle to keep up, feeling lost in a sea of information. What's their secret? Is it an innate gift? The answer lies in educational psychology. It's the science of learning, dedicated to understanding how our brains acquire, process, and retain information. Imagine the human brain as a vast universe, teeming with billions of neurons making connections. Educational psychology acts as our telescope, revealing the keys to effective learning. It's about more than just memorizing facts. It's about understanding the optimal conditions for learning to flourish. Let's explore the fascinating world of educational psychology and unlock the secrets to effective learning. Educational psychology delves into how we acquire, process, and retain information. By understanding the science behind learning, we can create more effective teaching methods and empower students. At the heart of educational psychology lies the study of cognitive processes like attention, memory, and problem-solving. Researchers investigate how these processes interact and influence learning outcomes. By understanding how the brain encodes, stores, and retrieves information, educators can enhance memory and foster critical thinking skills. Educational psychology also recognizes the crucial role of social and emotional factors in learning. By considering both cognitive and socio-emotional factors, it provides a comprehensive framework for optimizing the learning process. Educational psychology is teeming with insightful theories, each offering a unique lens to understand the learning process. Let's explore a few influential frameworks. Cognitive load theory, CLT. Imagine your brain as a stage and information as actors vying for attention. CLT suggests our working memory has limited capacity, like a stage with limited space. Overload it, and learning becomes hampered. Effective teaching involves breaking down complex information into manageable chunks. Next, we have the growth mindset theory by Carol Dweck. This theory emphasizes the power of our beliefs about intelligence. Students with a growth mindset view intelligence as expandable with effort and learning. They embrace challenges and see failures as opportunities for growth. On the other hand, students with a fixed mindset believe intelligence is a fixed trait. Cultivating a growth mindset fosters a love of learning and resilience. Then there's behaviorism, focusing on observable behaviors and environmental influences. It posits that learning occurs through rewards and punishments. Finally, we have constructivism, which argues that learners actively construct knowledge. These theories help educators make informed decisions about instructional design and classroom management. Myth-busting education, debunking common misconceptions. In education, myths often cloud our judgment, hindering learning. Let's debunk a few pervasive myths. The myth of learning styles. Tailoring instruction to learning styles lacks scientific support. Instead, educators should present information in multiple modalities, cramming the illusion of mastery. Cramming leads to short-term memorization but fails in long-term retention. Spaced repetition strengthens neural connections and promotes long-term retention. Emotional safety, a foundation for learning. Creating a classroom culture that prioritizes emotional well-being fosters a sense of belonging and encourages risk-taking without fear of judgment. The power of emotion. Creating a safe space for learning. Emotions play a pivotal role in shaping our learning experiences. When students feel safe and supported, their brains are primed for optimal learning. Imagine a classroom where your voice is valued and mistakes are seen as growth opportunities. This environment releases endorphins, reducing stress and creating a sense of well-being. Conversely, a judgmental classroom triggers stress hormones like cortisol, impairing cognitive function. Creating a safe and supportive learning environment is about fostering a growth mindset. It's about encouraging collaboration and communication, building a sense of community. Recognize that every student comes with unique experiences and treat them with respect and empathy. This creates the optimal conditions for their brains to thrive. Educational psychology and action transforming learning for everyone. The beauty of educational psychology lies in its practical applications. For students, understanding how your brain learns best empowers you to take ownership of your education. Experiment with different study techniques and cultivate a growth mindset. For parents, support your child's learning by creating a positive environment at home. Encourage a love of reading and foster their curiosity. For teachers, apply principles of cognitive load theory and foster a growth mindset in students. Create a classroom culture that prioritizes emotional safety. By embracing educational psychology, students, parents, and educators can create a more effective learning experience. Together, we can transform learning for everyone.